we will guide you through how to make videos 60 FPS in HandBrake. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your computer and search for HandBrake using the search bar. Launch the HandBrake application from the search results. Once HandBrake is ready, select Open Source to import the video you want to convert. Find the video file on your computer and open it. Then give HandBrake a moment to scan and analyze the footage. After the video has loaded, go to the Video tab in the Settings panel to access the available video encoding options. Find the frame rate option in the video settings and open the frame rate drop-down menu to view the available frame rate choices. Select 60 FPS from the available options to set the desired output frame rate. If you want the entire output video to maintain a consistent 60 FPS setting, choose constant frame rate rather than allowing the frame rate to vary throughout the file. Keep in mind that converting a lower frame rate video to 60 FPS does not create additional original motion information, but it can produce a 60 FPS output file. Next, check the encoder settings to make sure they are suitable for your video and playback requirements. Review the other video settings to make sure they are configured correctly before starting the conversion. Once everything is ready, choose where you want HandBrake to save the converted video and select an appropriate destination folder. Enter a suitable file name for the output file so you can easily identify the converted version after processing. Double-check the selected frame rate and destination settings before encoding. When you are satisfied with the configuration, click Start Encode to begin processing the video. Once the encoding process is complete, open the exported video from the destination folder and check its properties to ensure the final result.